In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this INFINIX. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheck Device System Info from Flarto Developer. Which is this one? Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those options here. Not only to read all the information about it in the pop-up, but also because when you click on settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!